Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Dr. Christian Pascual, top 1 in the August 2010 Criminologists Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Christian.
Sociological criminology, okay, means what? Um, the correct answer here is, can you comment kung ano yung mga sagot nyo? Can you put in the chat box kung ano yung sagot nyo dito? Nag-chat na si Attorney Ortea sa akin, kumusta daw? Okay, may sumagot ng letter C, A. Alright. Sige. So, mga dissenting opinion, no? Alright. Let's look at the choices. It's the study of crime focused primarily in the examination of the relationship of demographic and group variables to crime. Letter B, this is the science of behavior and mental processes of the criminal, which is focused on the individual criminal behavior, how it is acquired, evoked, maintained, and modified. Letter C, this is the science that deals with the study of criminal behavior in terms of mental disorders. I think we can all agree that letter B is more on psychological criminology. No? So, because we're talking about behavior, mental processes. Again, paulit-ulit yan. When you hear the word behavior, mental processes, we're talking about psychology. So, medyo psychological yung approach natin. So, that's psychological criminology. So, hindi pwede ang letter B. Because sociology is not, is different from that, from psychology. At since hindi pwede ang letter B, hindi rin pwede ang letter D, which is all of these. So now you have more time to adjudicate whether it's letter A or letter C. So ano ba yung tamang sagot? Is it letter A? Is it letter C? Right? So, but wait, when you talk about, letter C, you're talking about, mental disorders. Di ba pag mental disorder, hindi naman sociology yan? Trabaho ba ng sociologist yung, mag-examine ng mental disorder? Di ba pag sinabi mong mental disorder, it's more on psychiatry. So, psychiatric criminology. Di ba? So, letter C is not the correct answer. The best answer here is letter A, and sociology. So, ano ba yung pinag-aaralan ng sociology? We're talking about demographic, 'di ba? Yung anong uri ng tao ang meron sa society mo, 'di ba? Yung mga mahirap, mayaman, babae, lalaki, different racial group, ethno-linguistic group, Kapampangan, Tagalog, Batanggenyo, 'di ba? So mayaman, mahirap, 'di ba? Sa Amerika, black, white, Hispanic, Filipinos, Asian Americans, 'di ba? Group variables, 'di ba? So group variables meaning sex, gender, ngayon, and the relationship of all of those to crime, 'di ba? Sometimes your race has an influence on crime. For example, 'di ba, yung ngayon yung nakikita niyo sa US, 'di ba, yung karamihan ng mga biktima ng violence committed by law enforcers are the blacks, diba? Kasi they are being profiled as criminals. Yun yung tawag sa racial profiling, na kapag black ka, automatically ang nagre-register sa mga police officer, criminal ka. Kaya nga, minsan nga, diba, pag nagpapatrol yung mga police officer, biglang nakita nila black na naglalakad sa street, babarilin nila, 'di ba? Tapos they don't practice maximum tolerance kasi nga naisip nila, pag black dangerous, 'di ba? Pag black criminal. So they are in defensive mode kaagad. So yung mga ganun ang pinag-aaralan natin sa sociological criminology. Kaya nga kung narinig niyo yung Black Lives Matter, 'di ba? Oy, baka current events matanong 'yon. Anong pangalan ng biktima na naging dahilan kung bakit ngayon nagkakaroon ng tension sa US? Anong pangalan niya? Yung pinatay ng mga police officer. Baka tanungin sa board exam kasi yung mga gumagawa ng questions, 'di ba? Ano sila? Medyo updated sila sa current events. So, anong pangalan nun? Ay, may mga sumagot ng tama na. Tama yan, si George Floyd. That's correct. Yan, minsan may mga ganyang mga questions sa board exam on current events. Alright, sige. The following are reasons why criminality is a serious problem. Except. So remember, there's a word except. So the board exam, be careful. Huwag kang basta-basta sasagot. Sometimes, nagmamadali ka, doon pala sa dulo ng tanong, may except. So mali na tuloy yung sagot mo. So that means all of this are reason why criminality is a serious problem except. So let's look at it. Alin kaya dito ang hindi reason, ang mali na reason? It does not respect age, sex, culture, customs, traditions, race, and religion of the society. That's correct. Diba? That's a reason why criminology is a serious problem. Anyone can be a victim of crime. Diba? Regardless kung ano man yung edad mo, kung ano yung sex mo, kahit ano pang event sa lugar nyo, kahit na yung mga event, kahit may religious ceremony kayo na ongoing, pwede mangyari ang krimen. It doesn't respect race, religion. Ang magandang example sa letter A, di ba, yung Maguindanao Massacre, di ba? Yung Maguindanao Massacre where after yung mangundadato, di ba? Supporters, media, babae, di ba? They were all abducted and they were all killed somewhere and then pinagbabaril sila. Some shows yata dun sa autopsy report na pinagbabaril ng Armalite even yung lower part ng mga babae doon, no? Tsaka sila linagay using a bulldozer, gumawa sila ng hukay, ng pit, tsaka tinapon sila doon. No? It's one of the most gruesome events here in the Philippines. Mindanao Massacre. And crime is a worldwide phenomenon. That's correct. Anywhere in the world there's crime. Although some countries are more peaceful than the others, it's something that exists everywhere. Even in the more peaceful countries like Norway, mga ganon, or even Singapore, diba, may crime pa rin. Nagkakaiba-iba nga lang kung gaano ka-serious problem ang crime sa iba-ibang lugar. But anywhere, there is a crime. In fact, if there's a law, there will be crime, diba? Because people are not perfect, diba? There will always be some people who will violate the law. The letter C, it only occurs in the lower economic strata. No, that's false. So that's wrong. That's the correct answer here. That's the exemption. Because why is that wrong? And why is that the correct answer? Because crime occurs in all economic strata. Even the rich people, diba, commits crime. So it's not just the poor that commits crime. Even the rich people, middle class, they all commit crime. In fact, sabi nga nila, diba, kapag bare-barya ang ninakaw mo, mahirap ka. Kapag milyon-milyon ang ninakaw mo, congressman ka, diba? So yun, it happens in all economic strata. Letter D, it causes are multifarious. That's correct. There's no single reason why people commit crime. Diba? If you will kill me, bakit kaya? Diba? If you will kill a person, bakit kaya? Probably because of anger, jealousy, reward, promise. Diba? There's so many reasons why people commit crime. And so, it's a serious problem. Sige nga, tatanungin ko kayo, lahat ng mga taga Batangas, bibigyan ko ng tagi-1 milyon. Diba? Kung sabi nyo na ang reason why people commit crime is financial insecurity, poverty. Sige, lahat ng taga Batangas, bibigyan ko tagi-1 milyon. Palagay nyo may magkukomit pa kaya ng krimen? Meron pa rin. Diba? Because it's not just financial reasons why people commit crime.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!